Hey there, it's Mark. Let's check out some Matchbox cars. Like this model right here. This was in the last assortment, the Questor. It has the opening hatch in the back. C-Spy looks like a new model to me. Down to 12. Hey, another new model. Blockade Buster. Actually, why don't we go ahead and check out the C-Spy as well. C-Spy, Seashore by the Seashore something. This one also has wheels so that you can scoot it along. And the Blockade Buster. Matchbox, much easier to open up on the bottom. Hot Wheels are easier to open up on the top. Let's zoom in here. Should give this a pull. Nope, doesn't pop off. They got it hooked in there real good. Just so you know, for safety considerations for kids. On top, got some things on top as well. Can't make them out. This actually, this looks like a lifeguard safety buoy type thing. I should know, my kids are lifeguards. Hey, you got 3 turrets in the back. 3 turrets. Three motors. I was going to say turbines, not turrets. Turrets would be more something on this guy here. Ready? Let's see. Yep, there it goes. Any elevation? Nope. You better be shooting somebody on the same level as you then. But yeah, plastic base, metal body, plastic turret. Let's do some strafing. Actually, he doesn't do a machine gun, huh? It's probably more like a... That's kickback, right? Anyways, a little look at the top. Nice details. Might be too wide for the track. Let me grab a piece over here. This way you guys get an idea how wide it is. Here's a piece of track. Oh, it fits, but it's dragging. Here's scraping. So these not rolling? You know, they don't roll. This one's not rolling, it's stuck. Is this supposed to be making noise or something? Or is it production error? I suspect it's a production problem. Or do you think that's supposed to be him? Do you think that's supposed to be him shooting at his target when it makes that sound? Let's check the back. Let's see if it says anything on the back. Look out, it's an emergency. Massive fire engines zoom over bridges to quickly battle the blaze. Across town, this is not for this. Across town, sirens wail as police cars race to the scene of a crime. Ambulances are quickly on the move, rushing patients to the hospital and always ready to save the day. That's for the subset here for heroic rescue. I'll do it like this so you don't have to turn upside down. So that little blip is not for this model here. It's probably generic for that. But I wonder if you pick one up, check it out, see if it makes that noise. I suspect that's intentional, just because it just kind of seems too deliberate. But the wheels are really tiny for it to be on a gear like that. I don't know, and I don't want to drill this one apart. I like it too much. I'll let somebody else drill one apart who likes to drill it apart. This one too wide for the track. You can see we're touching on both sides. But let's see if it makes a noise. Yeah, it kind of makes a noise too, and it's got similar small wheels. I suspect that it's just the wheels. They're not really made to roll. I mean, you can push it along, you can scoot it, but it's not really made to roll. But let's go ahead and crack open the MBX Explorer's Questor. You know what? I didn't even say his name before. There you go, Questor. And there's a reason I'm gonna open this up is because Matchbox collector David Tilley found out there's a moving part. So we're gonna check him out. Okay, there's a nice good look at the Questor, and get to see it without any of the glare off of the plastic. Got some nice side details. I think the Desert Thunder has the same thing. It looks like a shovel here. Come around, got a compartment maybe on the side. Looks side view mirrors. A lot of Matchbox models have side view mirrors. It has smoked windows, but there is an interior. It's just hard to see with this dark color glass. Look, got a little sunroof. I wanted to see if that kind of moved. Nope. Then in the back we got a spare tire molded into the bed. No tampos, kind of light on the tampos as far as that goes. And then on the side, I can't read that. If you can't read it now, maybe I'll read it when I do my editing. Looks like it says fire rescue, Matchbox something. But there we go. Let's now that we're on this side, now we can see the moving part. Over here on the left, look, it's got a little hinge right here. Kind of like the Lakester. When I showed you the Hot Wheels Lakester, it had a hinge on the side. So thanks to David Tilley he likes to open them up too. So he's the first one that I found out from. Got a little hatch to open up. Underneath here, this is the part number for that hatch. That's Mattel's part number for their inventory control. Got a little bed in the back. Not a whole lot of room to put anything. I happen to have a Hot Wheels Atomics model sitting right here. So look, not even big enough for that. But you can stick a model in there. A marble. But even if you put something in there, you're not going to go driving around with the hatch open. It's like that Ford truck to where it had the wire cage in the back sticking out like this. I didn't care for that. It looked nice, but it seemed like functional wise, when you're not using it, you had to take that wire thing and then flip it inside. So now it's blocking part of your interior. I don't know. Looked nice, but effectively didn't look like it was going to be for me. When I used to do Matchbox case unboxing videos, I would have some bonus content at the end. That's what you just watched. So I took that part off of Race Grooves and then gave it to you here on Mr. Grooves. As always, there's more information in the description below. Thank you for watching and happy collecting. Bye-bye.